Welcome to our channel, where we explore the fascinating world of technology and its impact on humanity. Today, we dive deep into an intriguing question: will technology replace humans? Throughout history, technological advancements have transformed our lives, but is there a future where machines take over entirely? Join us on this captivating journey as we explore the possibilities, the challenges, and the potential consequences. Let's uncover the truth behind this thought-provoking topic. Part 1: The Rise of Artificial Intelligence. To understand the future, we must first explore the present. Artificial intelligence, or AI, has been revolutionizing industries and pushing the boundaries of what machines can achieve. From self-driving cars to chatbots and personalized recommendations, AI is becoming increasingly integrated into our daily lives. But could AI advance to a level where it surpasses human intelligence? What implications would this have on our society? Part 2: The Impact on Jobs and the Workforce. Automation has long been a driving force behind technological progress. As machines become more advanced, they are increasingly capable of performing tasks traditionally done by humans. This raises concerns about the future of employment. Will automation render millions of jobs obsolete? How can we adapt to a workforce where humans and machines coexist? Let's explore the possibilities and examine potential solutions. Part 3: The Ethical Dilemmas. As technology evolves, it brings forth a host of ethical dilemmas. How do we ensure machines act in our best interests? Should machines possess autonomy and decision-making capabilities? What happens when algorithms and biases collide? Delve into the complex ethical landscape surrounding technology's potential dominance and discover the need for robust frameworks and responsible development. Part 4: Enhancing Humanity Through Technology. While the prospect of technology replacing humans can evoke fear, we must also consider its potential to enhance our lives. Medical advancements, prosthetics, and brain-computer interfaces are just a few examples of how technology can augment human capabilities and improve our quality of life. Discover the remarkable ways in which technology can empower us, allowing humans and machines to collaborate harmoniously. Part 5: The Role of Human Ingenuity and Creativity. Technology's exponential growth has led to concerns that human creativity and innovation may be overshadowed. However, history teaches us that human ingenuity knows no bounds. Art, literature, music, and scientific breakthroughs are a testament to the depth of human imagination. Join us as we explore the enduring power of human creativity and how it can coexist with advancing technology. So, will technology replace humans? While the future remains uncertain, it is clear that technology will continue to shape our lives in profound ways. As we navigate this ever-changing landscape, it is crucial to embrace the potential of technological advancements while safeguarding our values, ethics, and the essence of what makes us human. Remember, we hold the power to determine how technology integrates into our world. Let's seize the opportunity to build a future that combines the best of both human and technological potential.